Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to check for system update on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on your start menu. So after you click on your start menu, next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. It's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to update and security. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do, as you can see right here, I'm fully updated. Now, if you want to check for update, simply click on View Optional Updates. Then you have Driver Update. Then you can simply click on Download and Install. Then let's quickly go back. Then you can also come down below right here, click on Update History. Then it's going to take you right here. Right here, you have Uninstall Updates, Recover Options. Then you have Driver Updates 22, Definition Updates 49, Other Updates. You can click on them and check each of the updates right here, and then you are good to go. So let's quickly go back. As you can see right here, these are all updates. So if I go back to my window update section, then so it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply check for system updates. And if you have any update that you need to check for or you need to upgrade, simply click on the update and download it, and your system become more up to date, and then you have efficient, smooth work operation on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.